What's up, guys? So we're out here at the Vet Bod car wash today, and let me tell you what, it is awesome. We got a bunch of cars. This is raising money for 22 until none. So got some guys out here.
I've already got it. This is like a little mix between
Heck yeah, man. So we got people just washing cars over there. We'll take you over there in a second. It is quite interesting, and it's for a good cause, so hell yeah. All right, so here with Jacqueline. She's gonna tell us a little bit about what's going on here at the Vet Bod car wash today.
Awesome. So we are out here for 22 until none. They're a veteran charity. They help provide financial assistance for veterans and active duty members. So we are trying to, by the end of the year, hit $22,000 for them. This is one of, I think, 4 events we're going to have this year. Disgruntled Vets got behind them, so if you want to check us out, just at Disgruntled Vets or disgruntledvets.org. We are doing $5 per car wash, or donations accepted. And if you want a picture with any of the beautiful vet bods, it is $2 per picture.
Hey, he said 5. What a liar. You can't trust any of these dudes.
Listen, you know, they're all making up their own thing. Vet Bod car wash is going on until 3 o'clock. We're at Apex Sports off of, I believe we're on Weber and Castilla, downtown Colorado Springs. So.
Awesome, thank you very much. Yeah. So we're gonna walk around. We're gonna show you some vet bods, which are more like dad bods, but you know, it's all right.
But with more knee pain.
But you guys are gonna enjoy it, so we're gonna go over here and check out. We already got the ship box and the Challenger wash today, so we're gonna walk over here and show you guys what's going on. All about veterans today. That's how it should be. What you got to say today?
Well, my mom said I would achieve a lot in this life, and look, all of this could be mine one day.
So now you're out here with a bunch of half-naked guys washing cars?
Yep. And apparently I'm kind of like in charge. That's the weirdest part of all of this. I'm in charge of marketing. They're in charge of operations. And operations has been letting us down all day.
I know, they're not even like shaking ass.
No, they're done. They got a platinum wash coming. So the platinum wash is a whole different level of wash. We're a little afraid to find out what it's going to be.
the platinum wash.
A little platinum wash. A little afraid.
That's why I washed it with a tip. Getting in all the cracks.
Hey, you need a detailed brush for everything. Up in that. Right here. All right. Heck yeah, Civic, baby. All right, heck, we even got these guys with some bikes, man. Hell yeah. They're nice and dirty, man. So as you can see, we got everything from bikes to cars to, you know, we got Porsches, Corvettes, we got the Challengers, Chargers, everything. Great day, great cause. Hope you guys are enjoying the little video we're doing, because it's gonna be nothing but half naked dudes. So.
Right.
Pretty good. Alrighty. I think that's gonna do it for a little walk around. I think we got enough half naked dude cinematics today. The pictures are even gonna be better, so I'm about to grab the camera and go take some pictures. Hell yeah.